Hello guys! Everything right with you? Today we are drawing and coloring a little and cute Easter egg bunny. It's painting time! First we use light pink for his ears, nose, and the paws checks. Now we use light blue for his body and the other part of his paws. Under part of our cute little bunny egg. Now we use yellow, orange, and purple for the little confetti on the green. White for the cutest eyes you can see today. And now we are retouching the colors. Bunny egg looks amazing! If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, as well as watch our other videos. Thanks for watching, kids!